Welcome to Creative English Journey with Kajal.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our English practice video. In this video, we will help you learn simple English conversation.
Yes, this video is specially for beginners. Don't worry if your English is weak.
First, we will introduce ourselves. After that, we will show you how to people talk in English.
We will use easy words and slow speaking, so you can understand clearly.
You can listen, repeat, and practice with us.
So let's start with our self-introduction.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Hello. Nice to meet you too.
My name is Ananya. What is your name?
My name is Rahul. You have a nice name.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I am from Delhi. And you?
I am from Jaipur. It is a beautiful city.
That's great. What do you do, Ananya?
I am a student. I am learning English speaking now. What about you?
I am a working professional. I work in an office.
Oh, nice. What are your hobbies?
I like reading books, listening to music, and learning new skills. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy making videos, learning English, and helping people.
That's really good. Why are you learning English?
Because English helps us in jobs, confidence, and communication. And
Yes, I agree. English is very important in today's world.
absolutely. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Hope we meet again.
Sure. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Thank you for watching our English practice video.
If this video helped you, please like, share, and follow our channel.
Comment below to practice more English.
See you in the next lesson. Thank you.